What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to be doing a speed challenge. We're going to be doing the oil change on this 2016 Honda Accent. We're going to do the oil filter, oil change, and also the air filter. Everything within 10 minutes. We're going to get this car up in the air. We're going to do all of that in 10 minutes or less, guys. So stay tuned. Let's get this challenge started. Alright guys, so we're going to do this as if the car just pulled out to the shop. Let's close the hood. We don't have any of our tools ready, so we not only have to get the car up in the air, but we also got to get all of our tools. I don't even know where they are. I'll show you. I just finished working on two projects, so I got tools everywhere, parts everywhere. See, more mess on this side. I don't know where anything is, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna do this in 10 minutes or less, and let's get our timer set right now. Okay, Google, set up a timer for 10 minutes.
Sure, 10 minutes. And we're starting now.
Oh shit, let's get to it. Let's get our tools right here. You stay right there. Don't go nowhere. Yeah, what's my jack? 10 minutes. Oh my goodness. Ah, I just hit my head. Come on. 10 minutes. Come on. Oh. Faster. Other side. Let's go. Come on. Oh, no flat. Again, damn it. There you go. That's good enough. Drop it. Oil pan. Down. Open the hood. It's so hot out here. Turn the fan on. Let's open the oil filter, air filter. Come on. The new one goes in. Brand new one. Oh, it's all nasty in there. Vacuum. Where's the vacuum? I don't know what the vacuum is. Where's my vacuum? Come on, 10 minutes. Hurry up. Let's do this. Vacuum. Air filter. Let's do this. Close it. Air filter done. Where's my wrenches? Where's my tools? Tools. There's 14. What are you doing there? Come on, let's go. No time for creeper. Ah, darn it. It's bigger than 14. Or 19. It's gonna be 17 or 19. 19, yes. 17. Am I gonna be able to make it? I don't know, guys. I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it. I'm going too slow. Oh, that's raining. Where's my tools for the filter? Where are my tools for the filter? Where's the oil filter? Where's the oil filter? Right here. Okay. We're still doing it, guys. We're still going strong. I don't know what I'm saying. No, come on, work with me, baby. Why can't I put this in? It's not even gonna fit. Oh, I got it. I got it. Ah! Come on. Right there. We got it. We got this. 2 hands. Multitask. I can't do 2 hands, 2 things at once. Filter first. Come on. Dump it. Come on. I should have set myself 15 minutes. Oh my goodness. I got it. Whew. My hand is so dirty. We're gonna make it, guys. We're gonna make it. Don't forget to wipe this here. Wipe off all the excess oil. What am I doing? Wrong one again. Why did I bring 2 things? It's right here. Found it. You got it. Wipe it off. That's good enough. Oil filter. Where you at, oil filter? Where's my oil filter? There it is. Where's that oil? No time. Get some oil. Wipe it on the rim. Throw it in. Come on. We can probably do it. We still got time. Get a racket. Tighten it. It's okay. All the way behind. As fast as you can. Come on. Let's do this. Come on, guys. Work with me. I'm not even gonna pass it. You looking at it? Where's the oil? Come on, you. Get out of the way. We can do this, guys. What are you doing over there? Get over here. What are you doing there? I don't know what my final is. I should get a funnel because I'm making a mess. Where's the funnel? Funnel. Where's the freaking funnel? Found it. I found it. Let's go. Are we gonna be able to make it, guys? Oil is going in. Come on, baby. Go faster. Faster. the 4 quarts. On the money. On the money. Come on. In the car now. Bring it on. Come on. We can do this, guys. Almost there. We're gonna be able to do this, guys. Oh, it is. Look at. Thumbs up. Thumbs up, guys. We did it. We did it in 10 minutes. I didn't think I was gonna be able to do it, guys. 10 minutes and everything is done. Oh, that's the fastest I've done it from start to finish. Look at me, I'm sweating. But hey, if you can do this faster than me, I challenge you. Put it in the comments, link the video in the description, and hey, let's make this trend. Woo! Yeah, I did it in 10 minutes. Feels so good. Wow. Now let's just double check the fluid level. I did it on the spot, on the dot. Look at. On the dot, a little bit over. A little bit over. But oh. This right here, I'll show you. I was making a mess right there. I spilled a little bit of oil right here and right there. But oh my goodness, it was worth it. Alright guys, if you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. And don't forget to wrench every day. It's good for you. Anyone can do it, you can do it, your mom can do it, your grandma can do it. Anybody should be wrenching on their own homes. I'm tired. I'll catch you guys very soon on the next one. Peace. God bless. And one more thing, don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified every single time I make a video, so that way you don't have to come looking for me, I will come looking for you.